When I'm in Birmingham, I check out the #1 on-code barber. Stands for cuts on doorsteps every day. And what a great barber he is. Check him out.
Okay, go on, carry on. Just get rid of all the bulk that you can, yeah? Yeah. And then when you're ready, just get rid of these lines here. I'll show you how you get rid of that. No, don't go that way. Yeah, okay. Okay, you happy with that?
Yeah.
Yeah, happy? First guideline. Okay. And don't forget, that's good that you move the ear as well. But don't forget, use your brush here to clean up the area, okay? And then what you want to do is make sure that you see how it looks darker here,
yeah,
and lighter there. You want to clean up all of that, okay? So make sure it's closed. There we go. Now can you see that the bottom line's going?
Yeah.
Can you see it, yeah?
Yeah.
And if we just touch this area again, don't use your hand, use a brush.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Alright. Okay. How you feeling?
Great.
Yeah? Is that alright, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay.
Right.
You happy?
I'm not happy
Right.
yet.
Okay. So now we've done the bottom layer, yeah? We've faded up to here, yeah? We've made our first line, we've gone 0, half, then half finger bob. So now, what I tend to do is we'll start on the top, yeah? So what we're gonna do a 1.5 on the top, and we're gonna go with the grain, yeah? So we're gonna get the clipper, we're gonna put the 1 guard on it, we're gonna open it up, because that'll make it what? If I open up a 1, what's it gonna make it? If I put a #1 guard on, and then I open up the guard, what would that make it?
1.5.
Excellent, 1.5. We're good? Okay, so just be mindful if the blade starts to close. Okay. Remember, every time you swipe it a couple times, give it a good comb forward, right? Make sure you get all the hair down, yeah? Remember, we're doing it with the grain. Okay, don't forget to brush. When you go in, try not to dig straight in, try and angle your clipper up, yeah? So you don't make yourself a line that you can't get out. How are we feeling so far?
I'm feeling alright.
You feeling alright?
Feeling alright.
Alright. We got in there now, yeah? What we got on?
We've got the half guard on, and it's unopened.
Okay.
We're just fading out this bottom line here.
Okay.
That bottom line over the fading out. So we're going to stretch the skin a little bit.
Good
And
girl.
then I get the brush.
Excellent.
Wash away the extra hairs that we don't need, so we can see what part we're going to look at next.
Excellent.
I'm going to just follow that through.
Okay.
And as you can see, loose line on the bottom, starting to blend out.
Okay.
So we're going to keep following that all the way through.
Okay. Now you're teaching us now. Let's go for it. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's get a nice blend transition.
Okay. But you know what you're looking at, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
You might get some bits that are dark and thin some. So you got to just correct them parts there. And blend out the lines, the darkest ones. You might have to use the edge of the clipper to get out these stubborn hairs here.
Okay.
And just flick that
So if you
out.
turn it the other way, if you turn it that way, yeah. Just use the last couple of teeth on the end, yeah?
Yeah.
So there you go. With the bulkier areas, yeah, use your comb. Use your comb. That'll feel it out right. See it coming together? Can you see it coming together?
Yeah, I can see it.
How you feeling? You okay?